the day after a storm. So there was a storm yesterday, and if you notice, there's a slope that comes right down. And from all those big trees up there, there's a lot of water run through this garden yesterday. And like I said, a storm after a storm in my garden. The storm did a lot to my peppers. It licked off a lot of blossom. Oh my goodness. I'm so happy for the rain. But when it do rain, it causes a lot of problems. But that's fine. Well, my cherry pepper start ripening. You see, today's another harvest day for me. More cherry pepper ripening. All, if you could see on the ground, the water had washed through this area. This is my pepper, so I have to tie this right up there. So this is my tomato. So I got to get a piece of string and lap it around right there, so it will stay off the ground. Like I said, the rain just rushed through the garden. Look at my peach tree. I'm so hot at this moment. My peach tree leaned down. You see what's going on here? Look at the root. All these limbs was up in the air. Now everything is on the ground. But look at the amount of peach I have to harvest very soon. And the size of them is pretty big this year. This one look like it's already ready for ripe. So what I have to do, I have to get a piece of stick and chop up all these limbs, because I can't afford for my peach tree to fall. I have this peach tree for a few years now. And look the amount of peach this tree have on. Oh yeah. Yeah, so like I said, watch, look my pepper. You see? It's fall down, watch. So I got to get a piece of stick. I have a lot of work to do here today. So I got to chop up all these peppers, sweet pepper. You know, I have a lot of work to do today. So this video is about the day after a storm.